Looks like you're um oh, it switched into the stream. Okay, I get it. The stream had a there we go. Okay, cool. Uh, goofy now. Hold on. Right there. See the chat now or whatever. Looks like it's a. Let me see if I can do this. Just make sure my there. Okay, cool. Sorry about that. Now, for whatever reason, run server did not run. My guess is because of what I was doing with my networking, but shouldn't matter. Let's see what happens here. It says we're using an unsupported version of Forge Gradle. I don't know if that's a serious thing or not. Like, and I see that we're not able to download some icons. Ah, there we go. So let's see. Let's make it where you can actually see the server. Don't. You can't for some reason. Oh, that's weird. It's not coming up. Oh, no, no, no. It just crashed. It came up and then crashed. What does that matter, though? What does it matter if I'm using an unsupported version? It was working just fine last time we worked on this. It's fine for that. Those are all just icons. It's trying to download some icons. Too worried about that. Don't know how that's possible, but these are the errors we see for the. Let me try one more time here. It's not going to be any different. You are using an unsupported. I need to look up that error. You are using an unsupported version of Forge Gradle. Okay. Check this out. Build successful. Did it again. What I want to do is try running the task from the terminal. Of course, won't work because our version is too high. I forget how to make that. I think even I tried looking into this and seeing this is PowerShell too. I don't remember. PowerShell get environment variables, blah blah blah. Environment path. Okay, so it's echo anything and environment Java home. Say echo environment. EME, is that a thing? Oh, crap. Look on the J's. No, it's not there. I don't need to show environment variables either, but it's just my computer. Damn it. I want to edit configurations. I want to pass in stack trace, if possible. See what the actual error is, if possible. I don't think that's it. I think it's something that I've done. It has to be. We need to check the server log, that's all. It's today. 19th. It's weird. Today, 9:59, yeah, that's it. There. If a malware appears to be missing signature data, not a good thing. Okay. Not really an error. Here we go. Apparently latest.log. Encountered an unexpected exception. Online mode to true. One or more entry values did not copy to the correct ID. Check log for details. I haven't checked the log. Weird. It's generating zip files for these logs, but got these logs. The uncompressed version's odd. There's a register. We're registering something more than once. Something like that. Let me clean, just try to do a clean. Basically, I think I'm gonna do that again. I don't know if clean is gonna get rid of our run folder. That would suck. Um, this, too bad you can't see the pop-ups. It's kind of annoying. Like if I search for something, you guys can't see it on the screen. I saw the error there. It's gotta be. Yeah, it's gotta be this. It's annoying that it says check log for details, but you have no idea what log it is. Sync. Let's see. One of more. Does it mean one or more? One of more entry values did not copy to the correct ID. Check log details. Okay. Put both of these together. Else here, let's just take this and put it up there so it's a little easier to find. Okay, where is the actual or the code that calls all the registration? I don't remember. I think that's just from here. Yeah, here's the register. So, okay, this has got to be it. Torch lit by smoldering, block torch smoldering false, block torch smoldering true. It's got to be because it's complaining because of these. I wonder if that was the last thing that we actually did. So, torch lit. Now we've got to be something there. We've got to be. It's got to be because of this. Block torch lit. Unlit name. Why do I have to have this? Oh, because to pass in that lit by torch. I swear this was working. I just swear it was working, but before. Lit by torch has to be. I mean, we had the whole thing working. We were just like, okay, next time we're going to test. And now it stops. Now this is happening. It's odd. I wonder if the client is also. I really hate this. Some of the worst stuff. Coding is just so complicated. It seems simple, but God, it's so complicated. It can get complex extremely fast, just very quickly. Oh man. Error.json, really? Wow. Like last, you can even look at the stream. I'll put the stream on YouTube. You can watch me actually do everything, get everything working. And now it's this. Maybe am I in the wrong folder? No, I mean, let's just see. I gotta look at the folder. Folder on my computer. Oh gosh. Name down. Let's see. Let me just copy the path here. See what we end up with. Oh, come on. Copy path. Oh, I didn't see this. Absolute path. Mods. Okay, that's easy enough. The mods. Minecraft. Realistic torches. I think. Right, what was it? That's it. Definitely it. It's the one we want.
I want to see if it's this code because it's registering. It's talking about registering two things with the same like name, same ID. I think that's what I'm happy at. It has to be what it is because I'm passing in the same name here. I mean, it has to be this. So if I just give this a different name, actually, let's see, torch on lead, so block torch lead and block smoldering. Like if I said, kind of annoying though. But regardless, let's see. Best. And then add one here. Let's see if run server likes that. It won't quite work. It's just there's got to be another way to do this. Can't you do properties within blocks? Can you give? Isn't there like a key value store in every block? Yeah, see that was it. Of course that was it. Wait, can you guys see the server? Yeah, you guys can see the server. So, so that's not going to work. And I didn't really like it to begin with. It was really kind of a hack. Yeah, we can't use the value store of the block. Just remember because it doesn't register that way or whatever. I remember. God, sucks. Is it gonna be wrong to have it? Yeah, it's definitely like this. So it'll torch lit by torch. Torch lit by torch smoldering. Do we need to have torch lit by torch smoldering? Oh, it's because of the difference is in the scheduled time. Does that? Yeah, it does. I remember now. You have to use a different value for determining how long the torch stays active. I just realized I forgot to put my music on. Windows, and sorry if the audio is terrible right now. Oh, but it's all right. I kind of mumble though. What am I doing? D. Go a little louder, man. All right. So we got to find another way to do this. Torch by torch. Huh? Someone should be using this thing other than just this one file. Why do I feel like all the work I did last time is now missing? Let me see what the other I also have a realistic torches main.
See what the git config on this one is. Now that one is Matt's version, and we don't need to be using that. We forked it, and we want to be using the version that we're in now. Yeah. Doesn't look like we ever actually got through this. Never mind. I thought we were just in a testing phase for whatever reason. Now I realize I didn't actually finish adding in that the time behavior. Let's define the problem again here. I think it's like, I actually say divide by 10. Might come up. Yeah, there it is. So block torch smoldering. Is it only? Oh no, this is okay. Block torch smoldering. So block torch lit is going to have the time. Yeah, here it is. So here's the problem. Yeah, this lit by torch, and the lit by torch value determines whether or not which particular timeout you use. So it's not the worst. I mean, we'd have to have two separate blocks. I don't know about that. Because the block added is here, so there would be a block add, and that's yeah. See, this is it. Yeah, get state, and we get blocks torch lit. And there's no way to know here. Alright. That's all. This is so junky. It's so wanky. I hate it. Wonky to do. Alright. Remember that. Alright, this one's a little too happy for me. What is this? Sunday breakfast? Let's get rid of that one. What's this one? Cuties? That's going. Don't mind this one. Alright. It's just talking about the songs. Sorry. Oh gosh. What to do? So this is where we've got to say the torch lit is, I can actually replace that. I mean, it's fine to have the blocks, but what we really, and it's going to be registering two different blocks. So, and the idea was to put one block here. As long as they have a different name, we're fine. So we can say, so what is the name of the torch lit? Torch lit, and we could say underscore by torch. And then Torch smoldering. Um, torch lit by torch. Torch smoldering. Lit by torch. Annoying, but I don't like that at all. But I don't think the block can have any other data. Can it? See, there's like multiple versions of register block that has some kind of metadata. Oh no, here's Forge registry blocks, register block. And it's only a type, so you can register the type, not the deal there. It's just annoying to have different. There's no other way. It's just not. I want to do that though. Ugh. Want to do it? I got that. All right, let me get some snacks. Let me get some candy. We'll figure this out. Hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh. It could be worse. Let's get it working. And then think about it. I don't think it's going to work. Actually, I take that back. Because where's the blocks? Yeah. Because register block is just a block type. I don't think lit by torch will ever be. I mean, calling this and kind of pointless. Because it's just referring to the type. So, well, it has to be. How else? I don't know how this is going to work. I'm just wondering because blocks at registry name, it's fine. And then we register the block, but oh no, block type is just something that extends block. That's just what it returns. Yeah. It just means anything that extends block can be passed in here and it is returned. Wait, what am I thinking? Yeah. So no, it actually does just clone. Yeah, that's the problem. It clones. When we create our block, it just clones whenever we pass it. Or just refers to that block, and that block kind of serves as a type rather than an instance of an object. That's interesting. That makes more sense because then you only store one type. But I mean, what if blocks have states? Anyway, I'd much rather see my point is I'd much rather set the state of the block rather than have different instances of the class that are reused, or just have pointers to or whatever. But I don't know. There's a lot of interesting things. I don't know enough maybe to understand. Yeah, we'll see. Let's get this working and then go forward with that. Might look at some other mods and see how they do their block registration and see if there's a way to pass in metadata or something like that. Should be able to. I mean, if it's yeah, you just can't have two. Yeah, no. All right. What is it? Damn it. Oh, there it is. I gotta clean that up. It's awful. This thing is. What song is this? Jesus. Tropical Island. Holy cow. Eating all the candy I have. Well, we're ready to go. Stop this up. Here's what the logs in the server are saying. 4 missing entries in this save. Missing registry entries. Oh. That's fine. Because we just changed the, yeah. I get it. Run the command, FML confirmed, proceed, okay. FML confirm. Alright, I get it. So there it was just, I guess, wait, you can't see that. And you, oh, shoot, sorry guys. It's just saying that we created those 2 blocks by putting _test at the end of the names, and as a result of doing that, it thought that the world had 2 had red blocks that weren't registered. What is this? Timeout value was negative. I don't know what that means. Oh, weird. Okay, let's run the client, see what happens. You can't log in, that's what's gonna happen. I got some jerking in it. It smells so bad. It's like garlic jerky. It's delicious, but it stinks. Oops. Music that loud? I can't hear the game. I can't hear the sounds. Odd. Okay. Ooh, wow. Oh, it doesn't have Torch Lit by Torch has no. I should have known. I should have realized that. That's a little obvious. They won't have meshes. Even though it's the same mesh. So that's the mesh is for somewhere else. It's all based on the name. Again, that screws us. Hmm. Gotta fix this. I gotta get to where I'm just sharing my screen and that's it. So you guys can see, like when I'm in a surge or something like that in the app. Something like that. Mm-hmm. don't know if I have enough candy for that. Mm-hmm. Unblock activated. Realistic torch. Unblock. Is this where it says unblock added? Oh, it's just light torch. It's unblock activated. How about unblock added? Is there one of those? Oh, wait, Java. Yeah. My torch lit. Oh, so here it is. So what is iBlock state? Okay, so why can't we use this iBlock state? If it's properties. Get state. Block torch. Torch. Wait, is this iBlocks state that I'm in? No, this is not that. Well, we know that. I can't just pass in. Your house is lit, and why the hell can't we? What's lit by torch? Insert, I think. Consider. Was lit by torch. Was lit by torch. Step by torch. Or just have lit by torch. Lit by torch. Okay. We got block torch lit. It just sets it right there. Yep. Be right back. I gotta run to the restroom. Okay. And back. Yeah. Okay. Block torch lit, and then we have lit by torch here. But not what we want to do. Yeah, that's not gonna work. We'll extend block torch lit, and those are public. That's public. We don't need anything really. other than here, so on block added will be different. Don't have another way to do this. We won't need unblock activated or any of these other overrides because they'll come in from this will be lit by torch burnout instead. The only problem, of course, now is popping this in for block torch lit. So let's not even worry about smoldering right now. I don't think that's gonna work either, but let's see. Torch lit by torch would be register block. Block torch lit by torch. Don't have this anymore. So it'll be torch underscore lit. Well, we don't want that. No way to register it here, but since they have the same name, you still have to register it. They'll have the same name. It's still the same problem. What I was hoping to do is not register it, but you have to register it. Shoot. If you don't register it, then you can't add it. I can't set the state here. I feel like I'm overthinking this to hell and back. Big handler, we're not worried about it. It's fine. Unlit's not an issue. Rid of that. Torch, lit by torch. You know, we could just torch lit by torch. Where does it actually? Where do you register? Torch, Minecraft modding. Register block with mesh. Open mesh. My music is still. My headphones to turn off. I don't have the music on. Anyway, how does he register then for torch lit. How does he register? I'm gonna delete all the logs. I'm gonna delete every log 'cause it's coming up in the stupid search results, right? Oh, wait, if I get how many results? That's not bad. 61 matches. Yeah, this has got to be it here. I think we can just register our block and say parent lit torch. Right? Yeah. So let's go here. Block. All right. New. Load now. Just because of this. Like the block torch wall. We just get blocks torch lit. There's no torch lit wall. But yeah, here we are. Okay, torch lit by torch wall. I guess it doesn't matter what we actually. Here as well, it doesn't matter that we're referencing instead of trying to inherit from the other from torch lit, we'll just say block torch, because that will just give us it should just give us the torch mesh, and this doesn't really matter anyway. It's just annoying to have to do this. I'm sure there's some other way to do it, because it can certainly, well, I take that back. No, it can't, because the block torch lit value, the value of is lit, is just, it's just the same exact way. Actually, take that back. I'm just replicating exactly what the developer, what the developer did, because the developer has block realistic torch, extends block torch, and he's got is lit. And where they the way he is handled, damn it, the way they have handled that is through here by saying, yeah, set lit. So we need to say, we do need to have, it's just the same thing. We're just adding another layer. Shouldn't be that bad. Realistic torch is blocked. I think it's fine. Block torch. Lit. Don't worry about that. Okay. We might end up having to do smoldering though, because my torches will end up smoldering for quite a bit longer. So we'll have to do that too. But we don't do this. I won't have that right now. Block torch lit will be could actually have it to be even simpler though. Well, let's do that later. We can do that later. Config. It would be a lot easier though just to do it now. But that should actually be lit by torch should be here. Oh, it's private. Then how are the other classes setting it? This is what it's lit is actually called. Okay. Oh, it's using the set lit. Get the. It's. Don't need to. Is lit, or is was lit by torch. Is that how we're doing that? Don't have any trouble calling get state, which is not declared. I think, yeah, not in trouble doing that, so we don't need to worry about prefixing this one. This for now. Okay, that means we don't even need to add any. That means the block lit by torch doesn't need this. What was I thinking? But it does need a constructor. Block torch, lit by torch, public. Torch lit by torch. I'm gonna say it's set lit true and set lit by torch true. I think. Yeah. Does set lit though? Is set lit called like for false? Is there a set lit false like for the unlit torch? So hold up. Okay, interesting. So it's because booleans are always false by default. So set lit torch would also be false. So okay. So then we don't need to set it here. All right. are gonna have to have a block torch smoldering lit by torch. That's annoying. That's kind of interesting. You don't actually set. It doesn't set is lit. Is lit is to return true. Oh, here it is. It just overrides the getter. Oh wow. Random display tick. Okay. So that's how you determine if the behavior is client or servant side. That's good to know. Is lit. Last little bit of sour candy. Look at that. Okay. If this one is block torch smoldering lit by. Oh, okay, we want to extend block torch smoldering. Torch smoldering lit by torch. That's another thing. We do need a different name. Torch lit by torch. I always call this torch smoldering by torch because smolder is technically the same thing as lit. This doesn't need to be any different. Block activated doesn't change. Oh wait. You just do the same thing that they do with overriding is lit, but also override was lit by torch. Rest of the behavior just stay the same. We don't actually need to override that here. So we're overridden and extinguish and get item drop, random tick.
Block added. We can actually just have this behavior in one spot. Say, it's that, was lit by torch. And then, let torch burn out. Torch burn out. Actually, we should just do this. Okay. Block torch lit needs to work the same way though on block added. There we go. I don't know why we need to have that. Oh, is it my torch? Oh, this is backwards too. Kind of like torch burnout being listed first though. That's where smoldering acid. Best switch to the yeah, not lit by torch. Torch burnout. Otherwise lit by torch burnout. Block added. So that just mean that here though we do need to put that right here because we have to set. No, we don't, because the only thing we need to set here is we do this. That way smoldering works the same way. Two smoldering versions, whatever. And then we get was lit by torch, we'll just return the one from here. Okay, another thing is here we want to say torch lit by torch smoldering. So torch smoldering, torch lit by torch smoldering is fine. Register block.
this is gonna work. And actually give us our mesh. We'll see. Because of the other changes I made to these guys. Torch lit by torch smoldering won't have one though. It's fine. Uh-oh. That error. I see the error. What is it? Oh, it's there. File not found. Realistic torches block states. Maybe there's another. Oh, here's block states. Okay. We just need to add the torchlit JSON. We need to torchlit by torch. I hate this. Torch, torch lit. There's a torch. They're all the same. Basically, torch the wall. That's fine. Torch by torch and torch smolder by torch. Start this server. One Swedish fish. What we got with it? I have to go soon, but I'll be back on later. Oops. That's good to know. It's still screwed up. Nice. Hey. Hey. You never saw that. Check it out. Ready? Boom. Boom. It works. Boom. Wait. Set on.
kind of good because it's not actually bringing up the other torches in the search. So this is the torch. Oh, look, it went out already. It looks like the smoldering torch worked as well. Now what we need to do is set the timeout to be a bit longer. So we can really tell the difference. Something that we really need to do is commit. And it looks like I'm going to do this commit, and I'm going to have to stop. Mm-hmm. All right. That's so ugly. Oh, I gotta fix that. Oh wait, I'm not even doing. I'm not even. Dang it. Sure do. Gotta go. So. Split by. What the- Fortunate. get a smoldering torch. Right. That'll use our different smoldering torches and everything. Now let's finish the commit. I'm just gonna say, initial commit is, I don't think we have another, any, history. I don't think we've pushed anything up yet. So, I really don't even need to check anything. We're not using it. No one's using it, so I really don't need to go through it all. I think I will eyeball it, though. Just like I just did. In fact, realized I missed some functionality. Due to random. This is what? Block torch lit. Okay. Torch smoldering. Was lit by torch. Different burnouts. Did I end up? Yeah, did just swap them. Build? I really need to. No, I don't need to. Add that. Big handler. Lit by torch burnout. 7200, which is 1/10, right? 1/10 of an. This is an hour. Light with torches. It needs to be false. Default value has got to be false. Definitely don't want to push that. Swap the. Alright, swap the imports for some reason. That's okay. Okay. All right. Just gonna do a commit. Try to push from the terminal. sorry. I haven't set upstream behavior yet. I think I did do a push. I mean, that counts as a push. All right. What's that? Oh wait. Oh, I didn't add like all these files. Oh, the new files have got to be added. Gosh. That's crazy. All these JSON files have got to get added. Don't think anything. Nope, nope. Nope. Another. Right here, go right through here. Idea, modules, no. File set. The IDE created. Okay, you can go on GitHub now and see the files if you'd like. I've actually got to go. So next time, hopefully it'll be later today. We'll see. Take care.